Guangdong BSCI Metals Industrial Co. Limited was established in 2023 and is located in the industrial zone of Guangdong Village, Pudong Street, Jiang City, Guangdong Province, China. The company covers an area of 23,000 square meters and has more than 300 employees. It is an enterprise integrated industry and trade with the right to engage in self-operated import and export business, and is a specialized, refined, distinctive, and innovative enterprise. The brand BSCI has already entered the global market. The company has passed the BSCI certification, ISO 9001 certification, and ISO 14001 certification. The hardware stamping workshop focuses on the processing and production of knives, forks, spoons, and chopsticks. This workshop covers an area of about 2,300 square meters and adopts a semi-automated production process. There are a total of 22 production lines for knives, forks, and spoons, and 4 production lines for chopsticks. The monthly output of knives, forks, and spoons in the whole workshop can reach 4 to 10 million pieces, and the monthly output of chopsticks can reach 1 million pairs. The independent production mode room stores nearly 1,000 sets of molds, which can meet your diverse needs for products. The polishing workshop is equipped with an 800 square meter manual grinding workshop, a 2,000 square meter finished product polishing workshop, and a 1,700 square meter semi-finished product polishing and machine edge grinding workshop. Our polishing equipment is fully equipped, including 2 automatic curved polishing lines, 4 automatic horizontal polishing lines, 2 manual edge grinding lines, and 5 cleaning lines. The titanium plating workshop is equipped with 5 advanced titanium plating furnaces and 3 fully automatic assembly lines. The warehouse is equipped with 12 advanced laser marking machines, which can realize product, logo, design, and laser marking from millimeter to micrometer scale. The finished and semi-finished tableware warehouses cover an area of about 6,000 square meters. The shipping warehouse covers an area of about 2,000 square meters. The quality inspection and packaging workshop covers an area of about 1,500 square meters. The company's comprehensive office area covers an area of about 2,000 square meters, where the personnel administration, finance, procurement, art design, new media, and sales teams are concentrated. The company's business mainly supplies goods to domestic and foreign trading companies, e-commerce platforms, airlines, hotels, restaurants, supermarkets, etc. The total area of the sample room is 1,000 square meters, displaying series, kitchen utensil series, and daily necessity series. Here, I'd like to thank all our friends who have been paying attention to us. Let our brand BSCI add luster to your business.